Hi friends, welcome to Infotech channel. So last class we had discussed about different types of console statements. So in this session I would like to explain literals and variables and constants. Okay. So first of all, what is literals? So in this session I would like to explain what is literal. Okay. So literal means we can provide a value directly in the programming. Okay. So once we can provide a value directly in the programming, that is nothing but literals. Okay, so literals are just way to create a identifier with the value. Okay, so literals are created with the identifier with the value. Suppose say an example, you can type here, let greet equal to hello good morning. So I'm providing directly value to this greet. Okay, so I can write hello good morning. Okay, so like we have a different types of literals available in JavaScript. So there are numerical literals. For numerical letters we have a number literal. Okay, a number, decimal, octal, hexadecimal. Okay, binary. Okay, so octal, binary, number, decimal, hexadecimal. Okay, so along with we have a string literals is string literal and boolean. Okay, and big enter like this. Or let me say an example. So go to this Visual Studio, create new file. Now we can save the file with literals.html. Literals literals JavaScript. Style, let me take an H1. Background color, dark blue. And font size. Now we just enter some padding here. 30 pixels. Right click, open in default browser. Okay, literals. For creating a literals, let me create here script tag. Okay, it's creating a number literal. Okay, for creating number literals, you can create here let a is equal to 40. Assigning 40 value to h. Okay, so we can write console.log h. Okay, so along with we can assign string literals. For string literals, let greet equal to hello guys good morning. Hello guys good morning. Okay, so I'm assigning this let message equal to assigning this greet. Now we'll print this one using console.log. Okay, message. So go to this browser, let's reload this page. Go to this inspect. Okay, go to this console. There we go. Okay, so like we have a different types of literals available in JavaScript.